So our next neighborhood we're going to move on to is going to be Lorton Town Center. This is another great planned community built again in the early 2000s when we started to see a lot more residential development in Lorton.
I would say that this is a great community for individuals who find that townhouses are not large enough, but they don't want to have the maintenance of a real single family home. Because these properties are, while they are detached, they're almost attached. I do understand the draw to this community because it's convenient to 95 as well. You could jump right onto the interstate in a few minutes. If you're looking for a backyard, then this is not going to be the ideal location for you. And if you're looking for a convenient location, a lot of square footage or more square footage than you can get in a townhouse, and you can walk to different things, I think that this is going to be a gem of a location.
Absolutely, because when he says more space in a townhome, you're going to start at 2,400 square feet in this neighborhood, going to go up to 4,500 square feet. The average sales price for these 3 to 4 bedroom homes is going to be just under $720.